Hello everyone, this is Pranchu Sharma. I'm an React.js developer at SourceBank, and today we are going to see another JavaScript project, like how to get sum of each element of array. So let's take an array first of all. Okay. JavaScript provides a method also here, which is called reduce. We are going to use that. But before that, we'll be going the standard process. So here I have taken an variable which is named sum and I have provided its value 0. For that, now I need to take a loop. Here we go. It will be going till the I. Sum. Sorry. So what happening here is we will be taking an element. It is running. We have taken a loop, and it will be running for every element, and it is adding the every element's value in this sum. If we see the output, we'll be getting 41. Now I'm gonna show you another method of doing this. Here we can have like we need to take a variable which is named result. We'll be array dot reduce. It is another JavaScript method which takes usually two variables or two arguments. The first one, which I have written total, is the initial value. For the first iteration, it will be always zero, and the another one is current. So whenever loop works, the current value it starts with the zero. The current value will be three. Then again, for the next iteration, the current value will be three, and the first total value will be three, and current value will be five. Now what we need is return total plus equals to the. Now let's try to console it. Here we should be getting 41, I guess. See how here we go. So in this video, I have showed you to get the sum of element of array with the two methods. The one is the usual the basic method of with the loop. Another one is the JavaScript reduce method. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you, everybody.